Hey, so if you want to write blogs faster and more efficiently, yeah, Notion AI can completely change your workflow. It helps you generate ideas, structure content, and write full articles in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, open Notion and create a new page for your blog post. This will be your workspace. Then use Notion AI to brainstorm blog ideas by typing your niche or topic. It can generate multiple ideas instantly. Next, ask the AI to create a structured outline. Yeah, this helps you plan your content clearly before writing. After that, use Notion AI to write sections or even the full blog post based on your outline. Once the content is ready, you can improve it by asking the AI to rewrite, expand, or simplify parts of your writing. You can also use AI to generate SEO elements, like titles, descriptions, and keywords to improve visibility. Make sure to format your blog using headings, bullet points, and sections. Yeah, so it's easy to read. Finally, review your content and make any necessary edits before publishing. So yeah, that's how to use Notion AI for blogging and writing. It makes content creation faster, easier, and more efficient. Hey,